doggy. Okay. You.
Hi. A lot of people asking it's about how to make the deprogrammer right at the chair side. Either going to be a coarse deprogrammer or any other deprogrammer, anterior bite plane. So what I've been using is I use a Triad material. Okay. You can mix in your hands, applying this jelly stuff around your teeth. Okay. Apply this. You can mold this, okay, and use dovetail appliance with the gel. You let the patient bite, okay. So bite down this. Let the patient bites, as you can see, it making 90 degrees plane towards the lower anterior teeth. And then when you put a curing light, okay, open again. So you put the curing light, you take the material. And then you're using blue paper. You let the patient bite down, please. You try to probably get repeatable point. It's on the anterior bite plane. Open again. You can see that we already managed to get a small spot, okay. And we try to make sure it's a repeatable spot. If it's not, bite down again. Bite. Open. You can see that the spot is getting bigger and bigger. It means he's not deprogrammed yet. Okay, so you're trying to adjust with acrylic board to make sure that the dot is very small, and then you apply red articulating paper, right? Open. So make sure it coincides with the blue one and make this dot small. So the patient going to leave and going to use this almost at night. We can use probably 24/7. The only time you're going to remove is when they brush the teeth, eat, or drink. So what the people are going to experience, you can bite down, bite. What people are going to experience, they have 3 symptoms. Number 1, they can feel much better, okay, if they don't have any symptoms. And it's most likely it's a teeth problem, and we can probably work on his bite, okay, and make a little bit of calibration. If the second symptoms, you might probably say it didn't help him at all. It might be something else, okay, when the muscles actually shut down and the jaw is still squeezing on appliance. And we need more evaluation, we're taking more data. And number 3, if you start having symptoms in the joint, then it's more complicated and we have probably referring to specialists. Most likely you can see that the patient is fine and doesn't have any problems, okay. The symptom he has is he been having pain on his recently placed bridges on left and upper right side. So we're trying to make sure we're trying to give a non-aggressive way, just to make sure is it the teeth problem or something to bite. So we establish again his bite with Triad material. You can use this as to open the bite, as you can see here, or you can decrease the bite. So I hope this video is helpful for everyone. Okay. Open again.